Hey guys, Mr. Flanders here. Welcome to day 1 of math. Let's go ahead and start our lesson off with our calendar and then counting. Please follow along as we do our 12 months of the year song. Here we go. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha-cha-cha. Very good, my friends. Very good. Round of applause. Round of applause. Let's now go ahead and do our 7 days of the week song. All right, here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Oh, very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Round of applause. Round of applause. Yes, we just did our 12 months of the year and our 7 days of the week. If you guys remember, we have Sunday and Saturday are 2 days that we do not go to school. We normally only go to school 5 days out of those 7 days, and those days would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. As far as our month goes, if you remember, we are in the 9th month of the year, and that would be September. And it even says so here on our calendar. Speaking of our calendar, if we were to look at our days over here, you would see that we are now on the 14th day of September. So if we were to say the date altogether, we would say today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. If I was to write this as a digit, it would look something like this. 9, 14, 20. That stands for September the 14th, 2020. Okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our yesterday was, today is, and tomorrow will be chart. You will see that today is Monday. We know this because we just went over that on the calendar. And if today is Monday, the day that comes before Monday, the day that has already happened, is Sunday. Sunday. And if we're looking at today, and today is Monday, that means it's happening today, right now, and we want to know what day hasn't happened yet. It's going to be happening next. It's going to be happening tomorrow. That would be Tuesday. Tuesday. So today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good, my friends. Let's go ahead and look at our number chart. Excuse me, Skelebaugh. And let's go ahead and count to the number 50 by ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Good job, guys. Good job. Now, if you remember, last week we started practicing counting by fives. I would love to do that again today. So let's go ahead and start on the number 5, and we're going to count by fives all the way to 50. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Very good, guys. Very good. We got there. We got there. All right. Well, we just cruised through this morning meeting this morning. Why don't we go ahead and get our packets ready, or get your mouse ready if you're clicking around on Schoology, and join me in our math lesson in just a second. I'll see you there. All right. Let's go ahead and dive in, everybody. If you could please start off by writing your name and the date on the top of your paper, I would greatly appreciate it. We are looking at 9/14/20 as the date, written using digits. That stands for September 14th, 2020. Okay. Go ahead and take a few more seconds and get that done. I'm going to scoot this up just a little bit. Boom. All right. Today we are looking at some simple addition facts. Super easy stuff. I'm only going to go over a couple of these with you because I really want to focus on the questions down at the bottom. Okay? Because these questions down at the bottom, we've seen these I think maybe once before, maybe twice, but these ones I really want to focus on. So we're not going to focus too much up here. You're going to do a lot of these ones on your own. These are the ones we're going to do a lot together. Okay? All right. So let's look at a couple of these questions real quick. 1 plus 0. Well, we know we cannot add 0 or take away 0 to any number. So if I have 1 plus 0, the answer is always going to be that other number. And so in this case, that other number is 1. Okay? Our next number, or our next question rather, sorry, is 3 plus 1. If I have 3 and I add 1, what would that be? Let's go ahead and use our fingers for this one. If I have 3, 1, 2, 3, and I add 1 more, what's the answer now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Very good. Now, our next question up here. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is what, everybody? We could use fingers for it. I am going to use my number line for this one, though. So 1 plus 7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 1, and I'm going to move over 7 spots. We'll start at 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We landed on the number 8. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay. Very good, my friends. Very good. All right. Pretty easy stuff. I'm going to leave you guys there for those particular questions because I think you guys can do a lot of these ones on your own, especially since a lot of them are just adding zeros. Okay? Really, really easy stuff. Let's go ahead and look at this bottom portion of our worksheet, though. Okay? The bottom portion of our worksheet has our answers already. We already know that this answer is going to be 3, this answer is 8, this answer is 7, this answer is 4, this answer is 9, this answer is 6. What we need to figure out is what number goes in the missing spot to give us this answer. So we are not adding 3 plus 3 because that's not how this problem works. The 3 would need to be over here if we were adding 3 plus 3. This is the answer to the problem. So if I'm looking at 3 plus blank equals 3, 3 plus blank is the same as 3, I need to really think about what number goes here to make this answer true. Now there's a couple different ways we could do this. One of the best ways I can think of is to pull up the number chart for a second. Okay? And we're going to look at the number 3. So we're at the number 3. Okay, it says 3 plus blank equals 3. So what can I add to 3 to give me the number 3? Can I add anything to the number 3 to give me a number 3? No, I can't, because the answer is already 3, and it's starting us off at 3. So what number would I plug in here to keep the answer 3? I would plug in a 0. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Okay? Because if the answer is 3, and I can't add anything over here to make it a bigger number, it has to stay at 3 because that's what the answer is. And we've already got a 3 here. We need to figure out how to keep this 3 from changing. So we're adding nothing to it to keep the answer 3. Let's go ahead and look at the next problem. 6 plus blank equals 7. 6 plus blank equals 7. So what we're going to do again is we're going to look at our number line here for 6 plus blank equals 7. We're going to look at 6. Now 6 and 7 are right next to each other, right? So let's see how many spots I need to move over to turn 6 into 7. So we're at 6, and let's count it out as we're moving. 1. Wait, what? We're just adding 1? So 6 plus 1 equals 7. That is correct. Now, I'm going to show you a slightly different way, slightly easier way to get some of these answers. Now, I know this is an addition worksheet. That means we're adding. We're making our numbers bigger. But we can also cheat a little bit and get our answers quicker. I'm going to show you how right now. Right here we've got 1 plus blank equals 9. So what I'm going to do, instead of going to the number 1 on the number chart and moving over till I get to the number 9, I'm going to actually go to the number 9. And instead of adding, I'm going to take away this 1. And it'll give me the same answer that needs to be here. Okay? So we're going to go to 9, and we're actually going to go this way. We're taking away. So we're going to take away 1. Here we go. So we're at 9. We're going to take away 1. So 9 take away 1 puts us at the number 8. Alright, which means that is the same as 1 plus 8 equaling 9. Because if I'm at 8 and I add 1, I'm at 9. Okay? Okay. I know it can be a little confusing. So, I mean, don't worry if you don't get it yet. It's okay. It's just one way that I just showed you. But let's go ahead and move on to the next problem for now. Blank plus 8 equals 8. Blank plus 8 equals 8. So if I've already got a blank spot here and then a number 8 here, and the answer is 8, can I add anything to this 8 to keep it 8? No, I can't add anything to it. And how would I show that as a number? If I'm not adding, I can't add nothing. Okay, I would write a 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8.
Okay. Next problem. Blank plus 3 equals 4. Blank plus 3 equals 4. Now there's another way we could do this. So I've showed you the number line part where we're either adding or we're taking away. Another way to do this is look back up here. We've got blank plus 3 equals 4. What we need to do is look for a question that already equals 4 and see if we can match it. Now you'll notice this problem we've already done up here, 3 plus 1 equals 4, is the same as down here. We're just missing one number. And the number we would need to plug in down here is that 1. Because 1 plus 3 equals 4 is the same as 3 plus 1 equals 4. We're using the same numbers. We just switched them around. Okay? That's all we've done. For our last problem, what we need to do is blank plus 1 equals 6. We need to figure out what number is missing here to make our answer true. So what number could we put here? Well, one way we could figure this out is we could put our finger on the number 6 on the number line and take away 1. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to do 6, take away 1, and that puts me at what number, guys? 5. So then if I have 5 plus 1 equals 6, that's correct. So if I have 5 fingers and I add 1, well, I've gone from 5 to 6. So that's the same answer. Okay. Whew, we got through it, guys. We got through it. That was a hefty lesson. Okay, I'm going to leave you to it, though. This week we are back to B-sides, so after you finish section A, make sure you are doing section B. Okay? Okay. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next lesson. Bye.